In order to become an Airbus pilot, you have to know this. Hello everyone, welcome to another interesting video. So in today's video, just like I've told in the introduction of this video, we're gonna be talking about this great thing you have to know if you have to become an Airbus pilot. That is the most famous normal and alternate law. So in these laws, I'm gonna explain what these mean, and I'm also gonna be doing it with an aircraft. The A320 is gonna be helping us do this video. So in every aircraft, especially, there is something which is called the approach to stall thing. There is protection of banking the aircraft, rolling it, and yaw controls, pitch controls. It depends on every aircraft, but only thing is, if the aircraft is large, then it will be more. If the aircraft is small, it is going to be less. So today we're going to be discussing what Airbus did to make sure that these parameters aren't and shouldn't be exceeded. And to discuss that, we have to take what is called a flight envelope. The flight envelope of an aircraft is, as I've told you, the roll angle, pitch attitude, and the bank angle, the yaw of the rudder, yaw, pitch, and roll. These are called XYZ axis. And once these parameters are within limit, like if you don't bang the aircraft too hard, and if you don't steer it too much, and if you don't pitch it too high or too low, it will be in normal flight envelope. The normal flight envelope states that an aircraft hasn't exceeded its flight parameters and it's still within the normal regular safe configuration. Now this brings us to normal and alternate law. Well, I'm gonna give you the definition with everything. So in normal law, as it tells you normal law, which means everything is fine. So in normal law, an Airbus aircraft, I'm telling this an Airbus because other manufacturers doesn't have this normal. Sorry, there's a call, don't mind that. So anyway, I'm going to repeat it. In normal law, an Airbus aircraft is not possible to stall. This is the short definition, but now we have broken down the words. Let's go into an in-depth definition of what is normal law. Normal law means an aircraft is impossible to stall, as I've told you, and it is not able to exceed these parameters even if you do anything. Like there are computers in the aircraft, air data inertial reference unit and air data computers, which automatically sense that if an aircraft is pitching up too high, it will get the signal from the angle of attack vanes, which will be here, that the nose is pointed too high, and if it's going too low, it will get that the nose is too low and it will automatically come back to its original flight. Like there are some specific degrees of bank and pitch up which is set in the plane, which is not to be exceeded, and the computers follows that. Like suppose the notch standard pitch is for all aircraft, it is same 15 degrees pitch up, 15 degrees pitch down. Like suppose if you pitch up 25 degrees like this is 180 degree pitch up, 25 degree pitch up. If you do like this, the system will kick in and it will automatically put it to the normal leveled wings. And if you are putting it to a 30 degree, or don't worry, 180 degree nose down attitude, it will kick in, and even if you are kicking the control with your foot, it won't work because the system has blocked out the pilot input until its wings level. It's just like your your car's gear, it's set to those specific things, and if you try to move it, it won't. Like if you have a manual car, there will be something like a 5-speed or 6-speed manual transmission. You can't put it to a 7th gear or a 6th gear in a 5 or a 6-speed manual transmission. that simply won't work because it is set to those parameters only, and those parameters are not to be exceeded in these aircrafts, because a car is a different vehicle and an aircraft is a different vehicle. So what it tells is that in normal law an aircraft is impossible to stall and you can't exceed those parameters, and the system will automatically put it back to stable flight. Like now I'm a pilot and I want to test how these laws work. I'm gonna show you now. Like I have the side stick here. I'm sitting in the first officer. I pull back aggressively. Aircraft pitches in and you get a warning kind of a thing. Bang. Pitch up attitude, and it shows on your display 25 degree, and the system will kick in. It will block your input. Even okay, you can still bank at that time, but you can still pull back. I can't tell that because you can't even push it down also. It blocks out until its wings level, so it's 25 degrees. It's rapidly losing altitude. The system kicks in, put it back to wings level, and the control comes back. And now let's take it 180-degree nose down. You can't pull up also, you can't push down also, because it is set in the system that when you pull up you may be trying to push it down thinking that the system can be fooled, but it won't work. The system can't be fooled because if you are someone who wants to pitch up this and directly do it, it's just like a sports car doing stunts or something. Aircrafts are not built for stunts. So the system will automatically cancel it until its wings level. Now coming to alternate law. This is when an aircraft goes out of the primary flight envelope, like suppose when you bank too hard, these parameters can be exceeded, not when you pitch the aircraft up and down too much or steer it from the rudder. You can enter into alternate law only if you bang the aircraft very hard. Like if you bank it to almost, it's normally 65 degrees of maximum bank for any aircraft, and you let's say you turn it to 185 degrees, it's literally on like this now, it's going, and it immediately enters into alternate law, which means the plane doesn't have those safety features or the safety parameters exceeding, like it is more vulnerable to stalling, and it is more likely to crash if you don't do the corrective action. So in those cases what you have to do is dive the aircraft, in that time it will be wings level, and then you pull up aggressively and level the wings and check it. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much. That was it about normal and alternate law. As usual, have a nice day as always, and bye bye.